Welcome to Giant Recreation World. Enter the world of RVing with us, where the open road calls and your journey begins. Hop in the Salem FSX, come on, let's trust. It's 22.5 feet in length, built with care and structural strength. 10 feet high and wide to ride, with room and power and gear inside. We're talking hitch weight 465. This rig is light and towing wise. Dry weight's 32119, but it's built like a dream, so strong and clean. Tongue and groove, bright wood on the floor, walk on roof, yep, explore galore. Superflex membrane truss, Raptors bow, and nitrogen tires rolling smooth as snow. Powder coated I-beam holds it tight, with fiberglass walls that feel just right. Diamond plate front, water lines color coded, holding tank seamless, fully loaded. Whoa, yeah! Luxury vinyl, no carpet here. Big old windows, the view's so clear. Large shower pan with the door that glides. 75% bigger tanks inside. Friction hinge doors that won't slam shut. USB ports in every nook. Bluetooth speaker, take it outside. High-rise faucet and a fridge full size. This is the Salem FSX 179. Adventure ready, all by design. Comfort and class, no need to fuss. Come find your freedom, ride with us. Backup cam ready, solar on the roof, auto detect, converters proof. 2-burner cooktop with a sleek glass lid, microwave cooking like a Top Chef did. YY prep and Lely glow, hot water on demand, let it flow. Black tank flush and outside spray, you'll be camping clean every single day. Let's ride!